How to fix this account cannot use WhatsApp problem. If any day you are going to use your WhatsApp but your WhatsApp account is not working, just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to check whether you are connected to a stable internet connection or not. It may be your Wi-Fi connection or it may be your data connection as well. I'm connected to my Wi-Fi connection and my Wi-Fi connection is a stable internet connection as it has been shown here. After you check whether your internet connection is a stable internet connection or not, now you have to go to the WhatsApp application. You have to tap on WhatsApp for a while. After that, you have to go to the I option out there. After you go to the I option, you will see the interface of app information. After that, you have to go to the option of notification and you have to check whether allow notification has been enabled or not. You also need to enable allow sound and vibration. After that, you have to go back. After going back, you have to go to the option of permission and you have to check whether all the permission has been allowed to WhatsApp or not. Camera permission, contact permission, microphone permission, music and audio, notification, phone, photos, and videos. And if all the permission has been allowed to the WhatsApp, you have to go back. After that, you need to go to the next option. That is set as default. And when you tap on set as default, you'll see a screen like this. And you have to enable open supported links. You can enable it by tapping on open supported links and the blue icon will be shown there. After that, you have to go back and you have to go to the option of storage. And you have to check whether there is any cache or not. If there is any cache, you have to clear down all the cache. After that, you have to go back. After going back, you have to go to the option of app details and store. You have to tap on it and you will see this type of interface. And if there is any update available, you need to update the very application. And this way, your very account will be open once again and your problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video. And if you liked our video, do subscribe our channel.